Amber Heard is speaking out during her first on-camera interview since her tumultuous trial with ex-husband Johnny Depp came to an end earlier this month.
You cannot tell me that you think that this has been fair.
Throughout this week, Heard's conversation with Savannah Guthrie will appear on NBC's Today, before more from the sit-down will air on Dateline Friday. In the clip played on Monday mornings Today, Heard shared her feelings on how social media impacted the trial.
Even somebody who is sure I'm deserving of all this hate and vitriol, even if you think that I'm lying, you still couldn't look me in the eye and tell me that you think on social media there's been a fair representation.
After a 6-week trial, a 7-person jury decided that Depp had proved that Heard had defamed him in her 2018 op-ed for the Washington Post about coming forward with sexual violence allegations. The jury awarded Depp $15 million in damages, but Heard will only have to pay $10.35 million due to a Virginia law limiting punitive damages. In her countersuit, she won 1 of 3 defamation counts and was awarded $2 million. Heard told Guthrie that she doesn't fault the jury for their verdict because she believes they were influenced by Depp's stardom.
I don't blame them. I don't blame them. I actually understand he's a beloved character and people feel they know him. He's a fantastic actor.
Their job is to not be dazzled by that. Their job is to look at the facts and the evidence. And they did not believe your testimony or your evidence.
Again, how could they, after listening to 3.5 weeks of testimony about how I was a non-credible person, not to believe a word that came out of my mouth?
In a statement obtained by People, a spokesperson for Heard addressed why she decided to do a televised interview, saying that Depp's legal team blanketed the media for days after the verdict with numerous statements and interviews. They continued that Heard, quote, simply intended to respond to what they aggressively did, and she did so by, quote, expressing her thoughts and feelings, much of which she was not allowed to do on the witness stand.